All right. Another meeting is done. Fly in, fly out lang. This year, ang ginagawa natin for Nudge as a whole is to try to spread a little bit of our services in the most areas that we can. So we have established our presence in the Visayas, Cebu, Iloilo, and soon we will restart our presence in Mindanao with the help of our partners in CDO. Actually, meron tayong NGO dyan sa CDO, yung Dayeg Movement, with their partner Ryan Casino and El Kwan. So, yun lang, with 2026, as we start this year, we want to start it with a lot of work. We are very optimistic for what this year will bring sa ating simpleng kinabubuhayan ng Nudge Productions. And sa tulong, sa awa ng Diyos, slowly we are we are multiplying and adding more business ventures under its umbrella. Recently, we have announced na we have a digital channel. So, that's a big leap for us. Kumbaga sa history nung araw, parang yan yung naglanding sila Armstrong sa buwan. Before sila dumating sa buwan, it is, a preparation full of discomforts, full of doubts, full of impossibilities. And indeed, nung bringing up sa akin to ng ating kaibigan, the possibility of having to own a channel and provide services to our global Filipinos, talagang leap of faith yan. Yun nga sinabi ko kanina, parang yung paglanding ng mga astronaut sa buwan, Neil Armstrong. Kaya ba talaga? Is it something that we can do? Nudge is not very big. Although, kung akong tatanungin, syempre, yung vision ko dyan, crazy vision Talagang, kung may makausap ako, sasabihin, baliw ka yata, o you're out of your mind, di ba? But, again, we ended the year with a very, very good showing in Pasig City, Iloilo, with the help of our mayor friend Stephen Palmares. Ang ganda ng pick-up ng event doon. Every day, the arena is packed. So, we hope, and natapos yan January 3, Kaya yung mga tao natin nung December and January, doon nagpasko, doon nagbagong taon. Tapos ngayon naman, itong January, ang kino-close natin dyan yung meron tayong gagawin sa Cordova on January 19 to 24. So, again, qualifying tournaments. Of course, we're still talking to our partners na, they continue supporting us. Kasi ina-align na natin to dun sa SBP's program of giving opportunities to grassroots development. So, after Cordova, who knows? It could go national. In fact, there's clamor already na i-nationalize na. Total, grassroots naman yan. Mga community-driven activities yan. So, that's what we're trying to do. Tignan natin. As far as this trip is concerned, the LGU of Cordova with our friend Councilor Remar Baguio, very supportive of our efforts. Tuloy na. And let's see sa January 19 to 24. And so, I fly back today, and it's gonna be a jet-setting year for us, I think. Ay, nako. There's a lot of plans, a lot of happenings. Again, walk with us, run with us, pray with us. The more I think of what we can do for Nudge as a whole, syempre, ang isang iniisip ko dito, yung continuity of us providing jobs. That's one very important matter to me. Na lagi kong iniisip, ang maraming tao naka-anchor sa amin for their livelihood, for their plans, for their families, for their kids. Kaya yan din ang aking dalangin sa ating Panginoon palagi na you bless us with partners, bless us with stakeholders that will share the same vision, the same compassion. And so far so good. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. More news coming out soon. So abang-abang lang tayo. All right.